We'll be discussing all about composite numbers. But before that, let's try to have this math drill first. Okay, in here, give the factors of the following numbers. We have number 4, 6, and 10. Now, let's try to think of two numbers that when we multiply the answer is 4. So we can have, of course, the very common 1 times 4. We can also say that 2 times 2 is 4. So therefore, the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Okay, that's it. Now, let's have number 6. So we can have 1 times 6. And another two numbers, when we multiply the answer 6, are 2 and 3. Or 2 times 3, it would give you a product of 6. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. That's it. Now, how about number 10? What are the factors of number 10? We can have the very common, which is 1, and the number itself, which is 10. And of course, we can also say 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So therefore, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10 itself. So these are the factors of 4, 6, and 10. Now, what do you observe? So 4, 6, and 10, they have more than 2 factors. In number 4, it has 3 factors. In number 6, it has 4 factors. And number 10 has 4 factors also. Now, this concept having more than 2 factors are what we called composite numbers. So again, students and viewers out there, when we say composite numbers, these are the numbers having more than 2 factors. A while ago, we found out that the factors of 4 are 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So therefore, we can say that 4 is a composite number. Check, because it has more than 2 factors. 1, 2, considered as 1, and 4. So 4 has 3 factors. Therefore, we can say that 4 is a composite number. 6 is considered a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. 1 and 6, as well as 2 and 3. So therefore, 6 is a composite number because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. The same with 10, it is also a composite number knowing that it has more than 2 factors. 1 and 10, and 2 and 5. So again, we can say that 4, 6, and 10 are composite numbers because they have more than 2 factors. Now let's try to move here and let's try to answer this question. We can do it. Are 12, 15, and 17 composite numbers? Let's have number 12. Now, I need your help. Viewers and students out there, I need your help. Can we think of 2 numbers that when we multiply the answer is 12? Okay, that's good. 1 times 12, of course, the very common. 1 and the number itself. We can also have 2 times 6. And the last pair would be 3 times 4. So therefore, we can say that 12 is a composite number because it has how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 12 is a composite number because it has 6 factors. 6 is more than 2. So therefore, 12 is a composite. Now, how about number 15? Is number 15 a composite number? Let's try to check. Now, please help me. What are the numbers? Okay, that's good. 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. That's great. So therefore, we can say that 15 is a composite number because it has 4 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, we can say that 15 is a composite number. And how about number 17? Is it a composite number? Let's try to check. Okay, give me two factors, or what are the factors of 17? Yes, that's correct. 1 times 17. Are there still any numbers that we can use to multiply and the answer is 17? No, there is none. So therefore, 17 is not a composite number simply because it has only two factors, 1 and 17 itself. It is not a composite. Instead, it is a prime number. Yes, that's it. It's a prime. It is not a composite number. Now let's try to check this one. What are the composite numbers between 20 and 30? So these numbers are the numbers in the middle of 20 and 30. So the numbers are 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Now let's try to check which of these numbers are composite. Okay, let's have number 21. The numbers that you can multiply and the answer is 21 are 1 times 21, and we also have 3 times 7. So therefore, 21 is a composite. Check. Now how about 22? We can have 1 times 22, that's correct. And we also have 2 times 11. So therefore, 22 is a composite number, and that is checked. Now let's have number 23. 23, we can have 1 times 23 and no more other numbers. So therefore, it has only two factors. So this is not a composite number. Yes. Now, how about number 24? Yes, we can have 1. I guess there are many. 1 times 24. We also have 2 times 12. We also have 3 times 8. Many. And we also have 4 times 6. So, very obvious. We can say that 24 is a composite number, and it's checked. Now, how about 25? We have 1 times 25. I will use this space here so that I can make the number big, or the numbers big. Okay, 1 times 25, that's 2, not 1. 1 times 25 and 5 times 5. So therefore, 25 is a composite number because it has more than two factors. Actually, it has 3. 1, 5, and 25. Okay, how about number 26? Is it a composite? Yes, it's a composite because 1 times 26 and 2 times 13. So therefore, 26 is a composite number. How about number 27? Some of the students are confused whether 27 is a composite or prime. Now, this is the right time for us to check whether it is a prime or composite. The factors of 27 are 1 times 27, and there are still two numbers, 3 times 9. So, we can answer the question now. 27 is a composite number. How about number 28? I guess this is very obvious because this is an even number. Even number, it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All even numbers, aside from 2, are prime numbers. Are composite numbers. So we can have 1 times 28, and we can also have 2 times 14. So therefore, 28 is a composite number. And how about 29? 29 is not a composite number. It's a prime because it has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, 29. So therefore, the composite numbers between 20 and 30 are 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So I hope you learned something today, and I hope you will be able to master this concept, and you can keep watching the videos so that you can somehow review the topic or the concept. So have a nice day, everyone, and God bless.